Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the SUBZERU vlogs. Back in with another video just for you guys. I'm over here on my loft getting ready to leave to go to Alan Gwen Chevrolet because they finally got a C8 Corvette available for everyone to look at, see, touch, sit in, and just take videos. I've been looking at all over Instagram, all over YouTube, seeing everyone else's videos, and finally today is the day that I'm finally going to be able to see it for you guys. Like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit that subscribe button. And like I said, guys, keep telling me in the comments below what you guys want to see from me and my channel moving forward, what kind of videos you guys want to see, and what content you guys want to see. Alright guys, but until then, let's go to the reveal, let's go to the Chevy dealership, and let's check out the Corvette. Let's get it. Alright y'all, just got here to Alan Gwen Chevrolet. Oof. We got the Z06 out front, we got the ZR1 in the corner over there. I see another ZR1 right there. We got another Z06.
Extremely intuitive.
GT1.
You have a very modern, sleek center console.
1LT, GT2, we got the 2LT seat right here. Competition Sport, 3LT, different seat options.
So that's it to stack? That's it, sorry.
It's actually pretty deep. It's actually pretty deep. Yeah, I was like, you can't really tell in pictures, but that's actually like pretty in there. You can. They got the carbon package back here. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. Alright guys, seeing the back in person, the back looks way better than the pictures. I think it's because it's not like flat. It's like, you got angles. I think that's what it is. I gotta say y'all, the steering wheel looks way better in person. Honestly, it's not like as bad. It's actually pretty small. This is my hand right here. So that's like the steering wheel. So it's not a big steering wheel. I don't have the biggest hands, but you can see it's not that big. So it's a small steering wheel. So it's really nice. Pretty tight. In person, these ones are dope. The black Trident spoke. These ones are sick. How you doing, my man? I'm over here. We are sitting in the C8 right now. I gotta say, it's spacey in here. I like it. This interior, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but
Can't see no better than this. I can see in mine. That's the problem. I can't see it.
oh yeah,
that side over
this right here is gonna be when the top's up. Yeah,
I can't see where the front end is in.
that screen's nice, y'all. The dash.
Oh, this is nice.
Digital
Shit,
cluster.
you can't see how to drive.
All right, these buttons, it's actually not too bad. Like, it's kind of angled.
Right.
Like, these buttons aren't flat; they're actually angled to the driver.
Yeah, well, that's good.
So yeah, it's a lot of people are saying the buttons are very passenger oriented. From my angle, like, they're angled that way, so they're not even angled to the passenger. Alright guys, so I'm with the homie Nick right here, with Nick and the wifey right here. We're over here checking out the car. I gotta say, the car is beautiful in person. I'm not really a big blue fan, but I love the car. There's so many more curves to see. Honestly, just go and check it out. If you guys have the tour dates, go check that out. If you don't know the tour dates, just Google, type in Corvette tour dates for the C8 and you'll find some. Anyway, let's get back to the video.
Alright y'all, what I will say is this is pretty far. So like if you're gonna work, you're gonna have to take obviously all of these off. You're gonna have to take that off. All of this is gonna have to go. It's gonna be interesting to see how people are gonna be able to work on this car, mainly because it's far. Like I'm outside, you have to lean, and even I'm leaning, I'm only here. So it's gonna be interesting to see how taking off that piece, this, and this middle, trying to see how you can work on the car. And mainly because it's just gonna be hard to access. Y'all, so here's the back of a ZR1 rear bumper. Here's a C8. So everyone's saying you don't like the bumper. Look at how plain a ZR1 back bumper looks. And now look at how the C8 looks. That's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Steering wheel feels heavy actually. Heavy steering wheel for sure. Feels sturdy.
Mystxry.
I don't even know, man. This is the black ZR1. That's like the look of the Grand Sport and Z06 is warm, man. What do you guys think? ZR1 look, Grand Sport Z06 look. Beast. Thing is straight up amazing. But something just brings me back to the Z06, y'all. This car's been a dream car of mine for years now. I've been wanting one. I think this is gonna be the car for me, y'all. We'll wait and see. But something about